Do you still wake up in the morning with the same firmness and confidence you had years ago? For many men over 50, morning erections fade. But here's the surprising truth. It's not just age. In many cases, it's nutrient levels. And the right vitamins can bring your mornings back. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Today I'll share the vitamins you should take at night to support testosterone, boost circulation, and give your body the overnight recovery it needs. Stay until the end. I'll show you how they work together and the smartest way to take them. Why morning erections matter. Morning erections aren't just about desire. They're one of the clearest indicators of overall health. Strong, consistent mornings show healthy blood vessels, active testosterone, and a strong nervous system. When they weaken, it's a warning sign your body needs support. Vitamin number 1, vitamin D. First, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. After 50, your body makes less of it, and low levels directly affect testosterone and blood vessel health. Low vitamin D leads to weaker drive, lower energy, and poor circulation. But when levels are restored, testosterone rises, vessels stay flexible, and mornings feel stronger. Here's the key: vitamin D is fat-soluble. Take it in the evening with a meal that includes healthy fats like salmon, avocado, or olive oil for best absorption. Combine that with deep sleep, and your body has everything it needs to recharge testosterone production overnight. Vitamin number 2, magnesium. Second, magnesium, the relaxation mineral. It calms the muscles, lowers stress, and supports deep sleep. But it does much more. Magnesium helps your body produce testosterone and increases free testosterone, the active form that fuels performance and drive. It also relaxes arteries for better blood flow. Take magnesium before bed. It promotes deeper rest, the exact time your body rebuilds testosterone. Men who restore magnesium often notice better sleep, stronger erections, and higher energy. Vitamin number 3, vitamin C. Third, vitamin C, not just for immunity. It fuels nitric oxide production, the compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Vitamin C also protects blood vessels from oxidative stress, keeping them flexible, and shields testosterone-producing cells from damage. Take it in the evening or split morning and night for steady support, since your body doesn't store it. Together, these three nutrients work in harmony. Vitamin D primes testosterone and vessel health. Magnesium promotes deep sleep and hormone balance. Vitamin C boosts circulation and protects hormones. While you sleep, hormones rise, blood vessels relax, and your body restores energy, setting the stage for stronger, more confident mornings. So here's my advice. If you're over 50, don't just blame age. Support your body with the vitamins it needs. Vitamin D with dinner, magnesium before bed, and vitamin C for steady blood flow. Do this consistently and your mornings and your confidence can return. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. Remember, your best mornings aren't behind you. They're ahead.